R.K. Gopalsana, Retired Secretary, Irrigation Department, Government of Assam, Ozabusu Kuchenjari. Matang asina, special guest winner, Oza Ashangbam Biren, former President of Assam Manipuri Students Union Central Committee, Ozabusu Kuchenjari. Makatana guest of honor gi famfam landa phambigadaba amadi phambigadagi singi ming hangatsage ahamada Sir Joypal Singh, General Security Officer, State Bank of India, Sir Basu Kuchenjari. Matang asina Oza Dr. Puri Samam Bimani Singha, President Manipuri Sahitya Parishad Assam, Oza si weather gi fibam na lamida lai haiduna tapirei. Matang asidi Ima Beni Misra, President of Assam Manipuri, Mera Paibi Apun Baluk, Ima Basu Kuchenjari. Matang asina Oza Yenkhom Upendra, President Manipuri People's Front Assam, Oza si Masagi Anaba Malayana, Saru Jaba, Namzaroi Haduna, Organizer Gi Kutanga, Pau Pibirei. Matangasina Oza Yangopam Diren, President United Committee Manipur, Ozabu Kuchenjari. Matangasina Yamba Lugram Malamba, President All Manipur Students Union, Yamba Basu Kuchenjari. Matangasina Oza Khondram Ratan, Advisor, United People's Front, Manipur. Ozabusu Kuchenjari. Matangasina, Yamba Sorokhaibam Bimal Singha, General Secretary, Tripura Manipuri Student Youth Coordination Committee. Yamba Basu Kuchenjari. Amuka Hana Lafusake. Kanagumba four-wheeler English Ubirapa Taragadi white color English AS11W5797 President, Chief Guest, Special Guest, Amadi Guest of Honor, Pampham Nanda, Lensing Matunda, AAMSU Thawmi Singna, AAMSU Magadaki, Ashangbam Swapan Porama Pipi Navidamata. Volunteers in Bundesliga. Ahamada President Sri Ashangbam Swapan, All Assam Manipuri Students Union Central Committee. Matanda Oza R.K. Gopalsana, Retired Secretary, Irrigation Department, Government of Assam. Matanda special guest Oza Ashangbam Biren, former President of Assam Manipuri Students Union Central Committee. Matanda Sir Joypal Singh, General Security Officer, State Bank of India. Matanda Ima Beni Misra, President of Assam Manipuri, Mera Paibi Apun Baluk. Matanda Oza Yangopam Diren, President United Committee Manipur. Matanda Yamba Lugram Malamba, President All Manipur Students Union AAMSU. Matanda Oza Khondram Ratan, Advisor United People's Front Manipur UPF. Matanda Yamba Sorokhaibam Bimal Singha, General Secretary, Tripura Manipuri Student Youth Coordination Committee.